This guide will walk you through the process of running a network scan using Ostorlab. By following these instructions, you will be able to efficiently scan both individual IPv4 and IPv6 addresses and network ranges. Click on the menu icon on the left. Navigate to the scanning section in the menu. Initiate a new scan by selecting the New Scan option. Choose the network option from the available scan types. Enter an individual IP address or range. Ostorlab supports scanning both IPv4 and IPv6 addresses or ranges. You can add multiple IPs or IP ranges by entering each on a new line. Proceed to the next step by clicking on Continue. Select the Full Network Scan option. Click on the Submit button to create the scan. The network scan will be created. You can click Show in the alert to go to the list of scans. In this guide, you have learned how to run a network scan for both IPv4 and IPv6 addresses and ranges using Ostorlab, as well as how to view the scan once it's created. By following these steps, you can easily scan both IPv4 and IPv6 addresses or ranges.